Hey there, it's Dunamis from Bentonville, Cerakote.com. Be sure and like and subscribe to this channel for more videos in the future. And click on the links in the description so that you can see our other spraying videos. This is Dunamis again from Bentonville, Cerakote.com. Bentonville certified Cerakote. So I'm pulling stuff out of the oven for gas out. I already pulled a bolt out and it's in really good shape. It's in really good shape. Here is a magazine. Well, I don't see anything on there at all. Put that over on here. Alright, so change my 3 power glasses so I can really be sure. Looks like there's some rust on here already, and it's a brand new. This is the brand new Weatherby. Brand new Weatherby, and it's got rust on it. You can barely see it, but it's there. It's right there. Right there. A little bit. Just barely starting. Wow. Brand new rifle. Well, we'll take care of that. We're not going to have any of that on our watch. We got over here. I don't see any oil at all, so that's good. Masked off. This masking protects the shoulder and the tenon that goes up into the bolt action receiver, and this section protects the shoulder and the threads of the muzzle device, or the barrel threading. Tired. And we got 3 barrels to spray this morning. I'm going to hold off on the Weatherby till tomorrow. I don't even have the coating for that yet, but I got coatings for these. So here we go. So that's how that works. And I'm gonna do the base coat real quick, and then right away, I'm gonna do a desert sand with phase, and then I'm gonna do more phase with Field Drab, and then finally the last set of phase with Olive Drab. So it's gonna be running real quick here. time to start working on those two stainless barrels. I use E-100, this E-series. It's only 1 mil thick. It's a little bit more expensive, but that's what they want and that's what they get. Alright. Alright, I got the AR barrel sprayed, 4 colors, and it's over there curing for 5 days. Because it's C-series, which is raised to high temperature. And now I'm going to do Blackout E-100 on these privately made super precision rifle gun barrels. So let's get started with E-100 Blackout. I'm looking it over to see if I got full coverage because E100 only requires 1 mil of thickness, but I see I've got a little tiny bit that I still need to do, so I'm going to go ahead and do another pass on both of them. I had to touch these up really carefully on the right at the part where the shoulder starts because the Cerakote wasn't getting in there, but we got 2 coats on here. Everything's covered real good. They're flashing out. The solvent is coming out of them so that it's just the ceramic coating left, and then they're going to go in the oven at 300. That's close enough for 1 hour, and then I'll show you what they look like when I pull them out. Well, that's an hour at 300. Time to pull them out. Grab a needle nose. These suckers are 300 degrees each, so I don't want to touch them with my hands, that's for sure. Looks pretty good. Real good. Looking real good. And once the muzzle devices come off, the shoulders will be clean. The threads will be clean. And down here, the shoulder will be clean, and threads will be clean, and the everything inside will be clean. Again, like and subscribe to this channel.